Hi there and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that impacts so many lives: anxiety. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, stuck in your own mind, or unsure how to cope, you're in the right place. But before we start, take a second to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We're here to bring you practical advice, support, and guidance for a healthier mind. Let's journey together toward understanding and healing. Let's get started. Anxiety. We've all felt it. It's that unsettling feeling that creeps up on you, sometimes without warning. It can strike in the middle of a busy day, or in the quiet of the night. It's a feeling that can be hard to shake off, leaving you restless and uneasy. That knot in your stomach before a presentation, the way your hands tremble and your heart races. It's as if your body is preparing for a battle, even though there's no physical threat in sight. This is a common scenario, yet it feels so personal and intense. The racing thoughts keeping you up at night. Thoughts that spiral out of control, making it impossible to find peace. You replay conversations, worry about the future, and imagine worst-case scenarios. It's a mental marathon that leaves you exhausted. It's a universal human experience. Anxiety doesn't discriminate, it affects people of all ages, backgrounds, and walks of life. Whether you're a student, a professional, a parent, or a retiree, anxiety can touch your life in profound ways. Yet, it can feel incredibly isolating. When you're in the grip of anxiety, it can seem like no one else understands what you're going through. You might feel like you're the only one struggling, even though that's far from the truth. Anxiety disorders are the most common mental illness in the United States, affecting millions. The numbers are staggering, but they also highlight that you're not alone. Many people are facing similar challenges, and there's a community of support out there. It's important to remember you're not alone. Anxiety is treatable. There are numerous resources available, from therapy and medication to support groups and self-help strategies. Reaching out for help is a crucial step in managing anxiety. Understanding it is the first step toward reclaiming your peace of mind. Educating yourself about anxiety can demystify it and reduce its power over you. Knowledge is a powerful tool in the fight against anxiety. This essay is a guide to understanding and navigating anxiety. We'll delve into the nature of anxiety, exploring what it is, why it happens, and how it manifests in different people. By gaining a deeper understanding, you can start to take control. We'll explore its symptoms, triggers, and most importantly, effective coping strategies. From identifying your triggers to practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques, there are many ways to manage anxiety. It's about finding what works best for you. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength. It takes courage to admit that you're struggling and to reach out for support. Whether it's talking to a therapist, joining a support group, or confiding in a friend, help is available. It's okay to reach out for support when you need it. You're not alone in this journey, and there are people who care and want to help. Together, we can navigate the broad shadow of anxiety and find a path to peace and well-being. Anxiety feels different for everyone. It can be a subtle, creeping sensation or an overwhelming wave that crashes over you. For some, it's a constant companion, while for others, it comes and goes unpredictably. But there are common threads that connect our experiences. In group therapy sessions, people often find solace in shared stories, realizing they are not alone in their struggles. Physically, you might feel your heart pounding. This sensation can be alarming, making you feel as though your heart is trying to escape your chest. You might sweat or feel short of breath. These physical symptoms can make you feel like you're in a constant state of fight or flight, even when there's no immediate danger. Muscle tension is another common symptom. Your body might feel tight and sore, as if you've been carrying a heavy load all day. Mentally, anxiety often manifests as worry. This worry can be about anything and everything, from the mundane to the catastrophic. Your mind races, jumping from one concern to another. It's like a never-ending loop of what-ifs and worst-case scenarios. It can be hard to focus or concentrate. Tasks that once seemed simple can become insurmountable challenges. You might feel irritable or on edge. Small annoyances can feel like major disruptions, and you might find yourself snapping at others without meaning to. These symptoms are your body's natural response to stress. They are signals that your body is trying to protect you, even if it doesn't always feel that way. While uncomfortable, they are not dangerous. Understanding this can help you manage your anxiety more effectively. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial. Keeping a journal or using an anxiety tracking app can help you identify patterns and triggers. It helps you identify when anxiety is creeping in. This awareness is the first step towards finding strategies to cope and manage your anxiety. Techniques like mindfulness, engaging in hobbies, and spending time with loved ones can provide relief. Everyone's journey with anxiety is unique, but with the right tools and support, it's possible to find peace and balance. Anxiety doesn't always have a clear cause. Sometimes it seems to appear out of nowhere. However, there are common triggers that can exacerbate anxiety. Stressful life events like job changes or relationship issues can be major triggers. Trauma, both big and small, can also contribute to anxiety. Genetics play a role too. If anxiety runs in your family, you might be more susceptible. Certain medical conditions and medications can also trigger anxiety symptoms. Understanding your personal triggers is essential for managing anxiety effectively. The good news is there are many effective ways to cope with anxiety. One size doesn't fit all. It's about finding what works best for you. Deep breathing exercises are incredibly powerful. They help slow your heart rate and calm your nervous system. Mindfulness meditation is another valuable tool. Physical activity is a natural anxiety reliever. Even a short walk can make a difference. Getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and limiting caffeine also play a role. The power of breath. Your built-in anxiety reliever. Let's delve deeper into the power of breath. Breathing is something we do every moment of our lives, often without even thinking about it. Yet it holds incredible power over our mental and physical well-being. It's your secret weapon against anxiety. By simply paying attention to your breath, you can transform your state of mind and body. When you feel anxious, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. This is a natural response, part of the body's fight or flight mechanism. This signals to your body that you're in danger. Your heart rate increases, your muscles tense up, and your mind races. Deep, slow breaths send the opposite message. They activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body and mind. They tell your body it's safe to relax. This simple act can lower your heart rate, reduce muscle tension, and slow down your thoughts. Try this simple exercise. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest and abdomen. Hold for a count of 2. This brief pause allows the oxygen to circulate through your body. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. As you release the air, imagine letting go of any tension or stress. Repeat this several times. With each cycle, notice how your body begins to feel calmer, your mind clearer. You can practice this technique anytime, anywhere, to find quick relief from anxiety. Whether you're at work, at home, or even in a crowded place, taking a moment to focus on your breath can make a significant difference. Incorporate this practice into your daily routine. Start your day with a few minutes of deep breathing, use it as a midday reset, or wind down before bed. Keep a journal to track your progress. Note how you feel before and after your breathing exercises. Over time, you'll likely notice a reduction in your overall anxiety levels. Share this technique with others. Teaching friends or family members how to use their breath to manage anxiety can be empowering and create a supportive community. Remember, your breath is always with you. It's a powerful tool that you can use to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and calm. Embrace the power of your breath. Let it be your anchor in moments of stress and your guide to a more peaceful, balanced life. Challenging negative thoughts. Reframing your perspective. Anxiety thrives on negative thoughts. Those what-if scenarios that spiral out of control. Learning to challenge these thoughts is crucial for breaking free from anxiety's grip. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is a powerful tool for this. It helps you identify and reframe negative thought patterns. For example, instead of thinking I can't handle this, try I've handled tough situations before and I can handle this too. It's about shifting your perspective to a more balanced and realistic view. Seeking support. You don't have to face anxiety alone. Remember, you don't have to face anxiety alone. Talking to a therapist can provide invaluable support and guidance. Therapists can teach you coping mechanisms, help you understand your triggers, and work with you to develop a personalized treatment plan. Support groups are another valuable resource. Connecting with others who understand what you're going through can be incredibly validating and empowering. Embracing self-care. Prioritizing your well-being. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Especially when you're struggling with anxiety. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This could be reading, taking a bath, spending time in nature, or listening to music. Prioritize getting enough sleep, eating nutritious foods, and staying hydrated. These simple acts of self-care can make a world of difference in managing your anxiety. Your journey to inner peace. Living with anxiety can be challenging, but it doesn't have to control your life. By understanding your anxiety, learning coping mechanisms, and seeking support when needed, you can reclaim your peace of mind. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. You are stronger than you think. Take that first step towards a calmer, more fulfilling life. You deserve it. Anxiety can be tough, but remember, you're not alone, and there's always hope. Start small, take one step at a time, and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing community. Together, we're breaking the stigma around mental health and building a better, more supportive world. Thanks for watching, and take care.